Morning, everybody. How's everybody else's day getting started? I'm about to have my breakfast. So we recently collaborate. Well, he filmed me more than per se collaborating. I've got a little bit of my own footage I'll throw in here for you. But met up with a guy, did a rear end for a 77 Corvette. My take on it was this. If you're going to change out the differential on a 77 Corvette, you should probably understand what you're getting into. It's not for the faint of heart. It can be done. It's not hard, but it definitely ain't easy. I have my coffee. Sorry we haven't posted in a while. I'm really working on that. Been struggling with my own mental shit. Sometimes I think that the shit that shit I believe is interesting, I don't think I'll be interested in it. If you're interested in it, and what I do on the daily, which is try to work as hard as I can and make as much as I can. Oh, there you go. I'll tell you what, she makes the best tacos or burritos. Look at this. Yeah. It's what keeps a man fat and happy.
One tries.
One, yeah. You know, she also makes a damn good, mean cup of coffee. It's not changing the rear end that makes it hard. It's everything else around it. And dealing with the drive shaft and limited confined spacing. Making sure that all your bolts are torqued properly. Using Loctite everywhere you can. It's the U-joints and the hash shafts make it challenging. Other than that, not being on a lift and being on the ground, that's really the most challenging parts about it. So I'm gonna put a link to the video in my description, and if y'all go out and check him out, maybe give him a sub. I ain't got many subscribers, but there might be a few of you that do enjoy his channel and what he does. I'm going to let you go over there to his channel. It's called Heart of Texas, Barn Finds and Classics. I'll put a link to his channel down in my description. And, you know, give me a like and a thumbs up or whatever it is in the video down there somewhere, or I don't know. We want to work on growing our channel. Just not sure the direction in which we want to take it yet. I'm pondering a lot of different ideas as to what content I do want to do. Maybe y'all should leave some comments as to what you would like to see, and maybe I'll cater to that. I don't know. So just see what's what. Y'all stay cool, stay classy. Oh, I'm sorry, is that trademarked? I'm sorry, Clay, or Catfish. That's my bad. Stay fried. Hey guys. Sorry, it's been a minute, but I'm working collabing with another YouTuber tonight. He get his channel info in a little while. We are removing and going to be installing a new rear pumpkin. Yeah, my finger already took a hit tonight. Only thing I got left to do is pull these axle shafts on each side, get those off, and then slide the whole unit out. So stay tuned.